Welcome to another 2-minute app review. I'm your host, Adam, and today we're going to look at the Android Assistant program right here on the top right of my screen. So I'll click on that, and it looks, I just ran this, it just cleared 59 apps, and I actually had to restart the video because it was doing this and I wasn't able to get to any of the other features within the timeline. All I did was click on RAM, so I'm going to hit OK, and it cleaned up a lot of RAM. Now you have your it shows your temperature on your CPU usage on the phone. I'm at 91% on my battery. If I click on the battery, it's going to show what apps I have listed in the battery. Now that's part of what the app does. The app has a ton of cleaning features. We'll scroll down in just a second so you can kind of see that. You can kind of see what's taking up most of your storage. Like, I have about a quarter of my storage, just over a quarter of my storage used. So with that, you can do a system clear, cache clear, batch uninstall. So you can choose a bunch of apps and uninstall them, and it'll go through and run that uninstall until all those apps are uninstalled. You can choose what apps you want startup. You could, if you have a phone that doesn't allow you to move apps to SD very well, or you have issues with that, there's an app to SD app on here, so it allows you to move those over. I remember when I had my first Android phone, that is one thing that was very useful. That was not on the phone. It wouldn't allow me when I had Android 2 point something, 2.3. It wouldn't allow me to move apps over to the utility, to the SD. You have a file manager, permissions, system info. So it'll pull up all those diagnostics up on here, and you can then choose what you want to do if you're having problems. It's a good alternative tool to what your phone already has. Thank you so much for tuning into this 2-minute app review. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos and content like this. Have a great day. Bye.